Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking another look at how to play that famous song Happy Birthday on a diatonic harmonica. Except this time we'll be using bends. Now don't worry if you don't know how to use bends, I've included some links in the description below to some awesome bending tutorials. Let's take a close look at phrase 1. Blow into 3 twice. Breathe in through 3 and bend the note to produce A. Blow into 3. Blow into 4. And breathe in through 3. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 3 twice. Breathe in through 3 and bend the note to produce A. Blow into 3. Breathe in through 4. And blow into 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 3 twice. Blow into 6. Blow into 5. Blow into 4. Breathe in through 3 to produce B. And breathe in through 3 and bend the note to produce A. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, breathe in through 5 twice. Blow into 5. Blow into 4. Breathe in through 4. And blow into 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.